Our next stop is the Arcadia Mill, a site that truly shaped Northwest Florida. In the early 1800s, this was Florida's first and largest water-powered industrial complex. It was complete with sawmills, a textile mill, a grist mill, a shingle mill, and even a bucket and pail factory.
You can definitely tell that's not a natural formation there. Logs cut. Okay. Oh, so that's like the log flume ride, right?
To move all that timber, a 16-mile log flume carried it down to the waterways. There it continued on to Pensacola's busy port.
Some stones here where you can tell it used to be part of some kind of dam or something.
Arcadia Mill is the real McCoy of Northwest Florida history and a nature escape all in one. Its museum recalls the industry that once thrived here, while trails and creeks make it peaceful and full of charm.
That is a huge oak tree.
Our tour at Arcadia continued with a visit to the Arcadia Homestead. Inside this historic house, we were guided through its rooms with a wealth of detail and family history that brought the story of this place vividly to life.
Doing good.
So this little house, an 1835 bungalow, is related to Arcadia by this man. And this is Ezekiel Simpson. And he was one of the founders of Arcadia Mill. So when he purchased this homestead, he put a 1930 Louisiana two-story style home on the back of this property. And essentially, he could stand on his back porch and look down over operations at the mill.
That's what you call an overseer for certain, huh?
That's it. In 2016, family members donated this house. And when they were doing renovations on the house, it was discovered that the entire house has been framed with wood that came from the deconstruction of the outbuildings on the farm. That's why you can see that none of it matches. And you can see that this beautiful mirror.
Yeah, that's lead glass there. So
they cut the top off so it
could fit. Oh, that's cool.
That was put together for this home, and I guess these pieces had been in their storage. I think it looks beautiful, but if you look closely, you can see that there's a slight difference in color and stuff.
Yeah, wood grain. I can see it. It's a beautiful pewter there too.
One of our graduate students a while back had done research, and she found that these people probably lived somewhere between 7 and 9 years without electricity. The Franklin Roosevelt's WPA program brought electricity to Escambia and Santa Rosa County. This is C.H. Simpson's tuxedo. And if you look at it in the frame, we can't even totally attach the pants.
He was a skinny guy.
So over here, this is the Farm Journal.
He had beautiful handwriting.
He does. He did. Yeah, they were a Gold Star family. And of course, above is a
Awesome. Thank y'all so much for your time.
Thank you.
Well, we're
Truly
glad you could come
enjoyed
by.
it. It's a beautiful place.